What's up, y'all? Making this video today, let you guys know that I wrapped my hood. It's the first time I ever wrapped it. I got a video of me doing it, but I ran into some technical difficulties. I was watching my son. My son was outside playing in his little walker, and he knocked the camera over, so I kind of was just like, oh, well, you know. And then I kept chasing him in the video and stuff. I'll post it. I didn't record the whole thing, but I do have like a little short video of after the car would look like afterwards. Got a picture of it before and after. So I'll put that in the video. It was just a little bit harder than what I thought it was going to be. When you watch the video, you know, I watch a lot of videos on YouTube and other places and stuff, and you know, they make it look so easy, man, but it's not that easy, especially when you're doing it by yourself. I tried to get my son to help me, but he's not, it's like he's not mechanically inclined, I guess is the best way to put it. You try to explain something to him, he's just like, oh, you know, he's doing it, but he's doing it like you expect him to do it. Like not how you expect him to do it, but how he thinks you expect him to do it. But it's like, nah, man, I want you to really do it like this. And so it was more complicated than it was easy, man. I ended up taking a page out of the book from when I used to tint my own windows and stuff way back in the day. I was a shorty, man. That was 20-something years ago. So, and I did the tinting. You know, I got it wet and put the soapy water on it, like tint the window, man. It came out better than I thought it was going to come out, but you could definitely tell a pro didn't do it, which is cool, man. Like I said, I wanted to wrap it anyways on my own because I wanted to see the look. I don't plan on keeping this hood. I want to swap my hood out, so it really didn't bother me to really like mess it up. Like it's got little like creases in it. I tried to work them out, but it didn't help, and I had to, because you gotta keep pulling it up and heating it up and stuff. So, but it does look really, really good. You can't really see any of the defects from a distance, you know, from picture distance, which is cool with me. Will I do the hood that I want? I have not decided yet. I have not decided. I don't know if I want to do that myself. Ooh, I just spit everywhere. Or if I want to pay somebody to do it. Because I think I spent like $52 on the vinyl on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I bought the kit to do it, you know, with the razor knife and all that. I bought that kit from Amazon also, which was like $20. And I bought the heat gun I bought everything from Amazon, man. Amazon is a wonderful thing. So I made it very convenient, I guess, to purchase it all. I'll leave everything in the description of the video, you know, all the links to Amazon, so you guys can do it. I don't think my personal how-to video on how to do it is any good, because like I said, I didn't make a full video. My baby son knocked my 1-year-old knocked the camera over. So instead of restarting it up and resetting it up and having to chase him away from, because once he finds something, man, he's sticking to it. He gonna get it. You ain't gonna stop him from getting what he wants. He gonna go to it. He figured out, man. Shorty figured out how to ring the doorbell at the crib now, and that he get outside, man, he ring the doorbell, and we got the video. So every time he rings the doorbell, I get a notification. My wife gets a notification. Dings in the house, and it's just ding, 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 and it's just him sitting out there pushing it. This is exactly what it looked like. Just a 1-year-old just pushing the button. So I ain't gonna post the video. Like I said, I'll post parts of it, process of me doing it. Like I said, I do have a before and after picture that I'll post. It does look sharp, man. I like it. I've only had it on there now going on 3 days. but I've had a lot of compliments on it.
I got something on the
Window.
It's nasty.
But it's dope though, man. It's dope. I like it. Trying to think the next thing that I want to do. I want to put it on lowering springs. I want to do that. I'm gonna do that myself also. So hopefully that'll be a better video, like how-to video than this one. And I don't think I will actually like record the entire thing that I do. I think I'll just record like the major parts, like how to take them out, you know, like pretty much just break it down like real quick, like, you know, take a picture of this bolt or this nut and take this off, and how to decompress the springs and all of that. And I think when I do that, I might go on ahead and change out my strut mats up top. So I don't know, man. I'll figure it out. And after I do that, obviously I gotta go get an alignment and all that stuff. I can't do that myself because that involves a big, huge machine, man. And I can do it. I know how to do it. I just gotta have the right equipment, and I don't have it. But I used to work for the Dodge dealership, and I still know a couple people out there. So maybe, just maybe, I'll be able to get it done for a little bit to nothing. Then I also will be changing my tail light, man. And my tail light quit on me. The middle tail light. I looked it up. It's a common occurrence. They leak water in there, and the water obviously gets into the LEDs and kills the. I gotta go to the car wash now. Kills the LEDs in the tail light. So I got a group of friends here that we ride around with. We all got Chargers, and we all got Mopars. Buddy got some Hellcat, some red eye that rides around with us and all that. So we had a video, and I seen it was dying in the video, and I was like, oh shoot, man, now I gotta go and buy that. And that's not cheap. That's like $600 just for the thing. I'm trying to get it covered under warranty because it should be covered under warranty. So I just can't bring myself to get out there. You know, I work crazy hours at my job, so by the time that I have free time, I'm using that free time for something else. So. But yeah, man, I like the hood. I'll leave some videos here shortly, man. You know, but I say here shortly, but I'll leave them in the, you know, and I'll tag the videos, and the video will be a little bit longer. It's probably just some video of the hood, what it looks like and stuff. But again, man, if you like this video and if you want to be in this journey with me, hit that subscribe, like button, man, and the little bell so you get notified every time I make a new video. And I say we'll continue this thing together, man. And it's been fun talking to y'all and giving me something else to do other than work all the time. So, which I guess if you really think about it, it's kind of working too. But I enjoy this work. I don't enjoy my other job. Nobody enjoys their actual. I mean, if I could do what I wanted to do, I'd enjoy my job. But bills got to be paid, and so y'all take it easy, man. And don't work too hard out there.